Industrial applications encompassing construction and agricultural vehicles, drones, automatic guided vehicles, and robots use motion data to enable automation, improve efficiency, and monitor condition. The TDK InventSense Smart Industrial portfolio of 6-axis IMU and 3-axis accelerometer products deliver the precise motion, inclination, and vibration measurements these applications need, with a range of performance and cost options. The high-performance 6-axis modules IIM 46234 and IIM 46230 deliver the highest level of gyroscope and accelerometer performance with very low bias instability and low noise. They include TDK's unique sensor fault tolerance feature, allowing continued operation at reduced performance if one or more active sensors inside the module fails. This provides an early warning and allows maintenance to be completed before complete failure. Based on extensive factory calibration, these modules deliver precise measurements even when the temperature changes. With its highest level precision and reliability, these modules can accurately measure position, velocity, and orientation of construction vehicles, drones, and mobile robots. The mid-range 6-axis IMU, IIM 20670, offers an optimal trade-off between performance and cost. It is more compact, lower power, and lower cost compared to our high-performance modules. With its high thermal stability and vibration tolerance, this device is suitable for many industrial applications, including tilt sensing, navigation, and stabilization of industrial machinery and AGVs. IIM 42652 is our smallest, lowest power, and lowest cost 6-axis industrial IMU, applicable to many industrial IoT applications. Apart from low noise gyroscope and accelerometer measurements, the IIM 42652 products support a temperature range of -40 to 105 degrees Celsius. Last, we offer the IIM 42352, a very low noise and low power accelerometer solution for industrial applications. The IIM 42352 can be used to measure vibrations up to 4 kHz, ideal for predictive maintenance of pumps, motors, and compressors, enabling customers to predict failures before they happen. Learn more at inventsense.tdk.com/industrial.
Hi everyone, my name is Camilo Delgado and I am the Director of Marketing for InventSense Industrial Products. Today I'm here to talk to you about the industrial portfolio and what we have new to offer to our customers and all the features and benefits that this comes with. Before I start talking about products, I want to tell you why we're in this business. And as you can see in this graph, the adoption of accelerometers and gyroscopes have been quite significantly in the past 5 years and is expected to keep growing. And this is due to the explosion of IoT products in terms of industrial applications, as well as anything to do with mobile units, again, with industrial application targeting. We're talking about GNSS modules, we talk about here vibration systems, and in general, sensors that are used to track any type of movement. Throughout this presentation, we will talk about 3 use cases. The first use case is navigation. Navigation applies to GNSS units and construction equipment, drones, and mobile robotics units. And the gyro and the accelerometer measures are used for position and velocity. Low bias instability and sensitivity errors result in lower position and velocity errors. So these are critical for our customers. The second use case is tilt sensing, which applies to survey equipment, construction agricultural vehicles, robotic units, and platform stabilization. In here, the accelerometer measures the angle, and the gyro is important, particularly for mobile applications. Low bias and sensitivity errors. low noise and high resolutions are important for our customers here. And last but not least, we talk about vibration sensing, which applies to industrial motors or pumps or even robotic arms. And in this case, the accelerometer is used to measure vibrations or changes in vibrations. And as a result, this can be used to do predictive maintenance. 3 dB bandwidth, low noise, and low power are very important for our customers here. What we wanted to accomplish for the industrial portfolio, we wanted to use our sensors to allow customers to optimize performance and efficiency in industrial applications. That is really our philosophy behind the portfolio. If you look at our industrial portfolio value proposition for our customers, we really wanted to provide our customers with a broad range of cost versus performance choices with high performance modules, all the way from chips to modules, and with modules with unique capabilities for our customers. And finally, we wanted to have products that were factory calibrated over the range of temperature and tested at a high vibration level, just like our industrial applications are. So in here, as you can see, this is an overview of our product families. We have 4 product families. The first one is the high performance industrial modules. This family is composed of 2 parts, the IIM 46234 and the IIM 46230. These parts are capable of providing customers the lowest bias stability, provide a very low angular random walk, and it has some other patented features that I will talk about it. Then we have the mid-range IMU devices. This mid-range portfolio provides the customer the best feature versus cost for applications such as GNSS units, and then we have compact IMUs for 6-axis and 3-axis. And these 2 last families provide the customer with a lower power consumption, small form factor, and most economic options. Okay, first, I will start this presentation by looking at the 6-axis industrial motion, our 42652, which is part of our low power, small form factor family. These products operate over the -40 to 105 degrees. They have been tested for 20,000 Gs of shock tolerance, and they provide an external clock synchronization to improve the ODR accuracy, as well as low power, low noise, and small form factor. The applications where we have been successful are autonomous agricultural vehicles, GNSS units, construction tools, robotic arms, and equipment orientation. If we look at the features or advantages over our competitors, you can see that ODR accuracy or noise density is something that we really do much better than our competitors. We also have an extended operational temperature range, and we have a much higher shock tolerance test. These features are ideal for industrial type of applications. And last, each one of our products, they come with an evaluation board or a development kit. The evaluation board allows the customer to initiate fast prototyping, and the development kit allows the customer to have all the tools to start their development. In this development kit, we provide all the software libraries, connectors, cables, and so forth. My next product families are the 42352. This is a 3-axis accelerometer, and it is designed for purely vibration sensing. This accelerometer has a lot of the features of the 6-axis IMU, which is 20,000 Gs of shock tolerance, extended temperature range, all the way up to 105 Cs. It also has wake-on motion, so that you can save power on battery type of applications. It has the capability to measure frequencies up to 4 kilohertz, and it has a pretty low power consumption, as well as the external clock synchronization capabilities. Some of the applications that we're seeing today and we have been most successful with are motor and pumps, and of course vibration monitoring systems, or CBMs, which CBMs stands for conditionally based maintenance. And what this means is today industries, they're placing sensors around their equipment to do predictive maintenance every time something starts breaking. They don't wait until the machine is down. They use sensors to try to get ahead of the issue. So in this case, our vibration sensor has been very popular for this type of CBM applications. This is a graph of the growth on CBMs. It is expected that by 2030, there will be about this market will be about $200 million. It is an important market for us. We have product that it is designed and tested for these type of applications, and if you're in need of a vibration sensor, talk to us. This is a very good sensor. If we look at the competitive analysis, we do have a strong competition here with ST, Kyonix, ADI, and we really provide some features that are unique, such as the ODR accuracy, which is in some cases 100 times better than the competitors. We do have 4 times lower noise density. We have lower offset and sensitivity variation over temperature. We support wake-on motion, and we provide an external clock as well. So all these features help our customers to realize a better design and a more robust system. In terms of competition with ADI, as you can see here, we have a higher FSR. We offer better thermal performance. We support wake-on motion. A lot of the benefits that I talked about already. We provide an external clock input for better ODR accuracy. So these are features that are unique and standard for the industrial applications. And to finalize with the low power small type of family devices, I will talk to you about the 42351. This product has been designed for tilt applications, and it has a lot of the features as the other 2 products that I mentioned. It has the ability to provide external clock, has the temperature range extended up to 105. It has the wake-on motion to save power, and it is tested to 20,000 Gs of shock tolerance. Some of the applications that have been successful for us there are laser levels, power tools, industrial inclination sensors and optical levels. This particular product has been very successful in this type of applications due to its robustness. In terms of competitive advantage, we do have NXP, which we believe is going out of business, and we have ST as well. And of course, we provide a better FSR range versus the NXP, and we offer higher performance in general than the competitors. And as I mentioned, all our products, they come with our fast prototyping or full development kit. And now I'm going to talk about our mid-range product portfolio, the IIM 2670. So the IIM 2670, it has some pretty good features, and this product is in the mid-range, as I mentioned, of the family, and it provides a high thermal stability. It has a low offset and sensitivity drift over temperature. It has very good performance over vibration, and as you can see, it has a digital output with a programmable full-scale range for its gyro. It goes from 41 to 1966, and for its accelerometer, it has a full programmable range. It goes from plus or minus 2 Gs all the way up to 64 Gs. It has a 10 megahertz SPI interface, and it is tested also for 10,000 Gs of shock tolerance. The applications where we have been most successful here are high-end drones, agricultural drones, or GNSS units that go into these type of devices. Our competitor here is mostly ADI, as you can start going high in the performance. And we do provide some pretty good capabilities and specifications in our product, which is the full range of programmable output. We do provide the shock tolerance and up to 10,000, and we do have an extended temperature range as well. If you look at the bias instability and the random angle walk, is also much better in our product than the ADI product. It does have the option to interface with the evaluation boards or development kit, and if you have the need for either or, you do have the options to order these part numbers as well. And last but not least, we are talking about the high performance family. This high performance family has been designed as a module. So as you can see here, this is not a chip. This is an actual module with a 20-pin connector, and it has been designed for the highest accuracy and highest performance in the market. This particular product offers two unique patented features. The first one is fault tolerance, which what it means is that it allows this product to internally fail, and we have built redundancy such that if a gyro or an accelerometer goes bad, it will actually take over, the redundancy will take over, and the system will be operational with a diminished capacity of about 5%. So not too bad. And it will allow the end user and the end customers to keep operating as well, and wait until maintenance is done or you get a replacement part. The other feature that is patented is the sensor time stamping, which provides microsecond accuracy timestamps with all sensor measurements. So why is this unique, and why is this good for the customer? Most of these sensors are integrated with a GPS unit. So if you provide the GPS coordinates, the sensor itself will combine the timestamp with the GPS coordinates and will output both the coordinate and the timestamp where you measure that particular coordinate. And this allows for much easier data processing and sensor fusion. So very good features that we have added into this module. But if you look at the specifications of this module, it is also a very high level module. We do have two families. We have the IIM 46234, which is what we call the full module. This module has bias instability of 1.9 degree per hours. It has a noise density of 1.6. It have an angular random walk of 0.09 degrees over square root of hour. And we do have the IM 46230, which is the light version. This particular light version is its performance is a bit less than the full version, with a bias instability of 4.1 degree per hours, noise density of 3.4, and an angular random walk of 0.15. But again, very, very high-end products. We just wanted to reduce the cost so that we can give the products, the customers, the options they need for the cost that they're willing to pay. So we have successfully designed this module. We have reduced tremendously the cost of the markets. Before, using a module was prohibited due to the fact that it was thousands of dollars. We have very cleverly designed these products to be in the hundreds versus thousands. So let's talk about the applications. We're seeing a lot of success in smart antennas, high-end GNSS units, RTK modules, and what we call the last mile delivery systems. They're also loving this product because it makes the whole system design and integration much easier for them. If we look at the competitors, as you can see, our competition is AIDA with their high-end modules, very high-end expensive modules. And if you look at the bias instability, the offset over temperature, angular random walk, our performance is either better or very similar to a lot of these products that cost thousands of dollars. And in addition, we do have the patented fault tolerance and time stamping. This is one of the use cases that we've seen in the market, which is a lot of customers are using and integrating 4 chips today to accomplish a lot of the features and benefits that it is accomplished with a module. And doing the integration of 4 chips is not just troublesome from a supply chain perspective, but it's also difficult to integrate and maintain. So our modules give these customers an option of having a single chip way of doing this. And finally, we do have an evaluation kit. You can order this evaluation kit today. The actual product will come separate from the actual motherboard. We've done this by design because the module is quite sensitive. It will have a ribbon cable connecting to the motherboard, and then you can do your communication with your computer through the motherboard. So the part numbers are here, it is available, and also the software tools. Okay, so just to finalize, this is how the industrial family looks like. Just giving you a summary. We do have a high-performance IMU module family, which is composed of two parts. It provides you the highest biasing stability, the highest performance. It is a module, it is not a chip, and it competes with a lot of the ADI products. Then we have our mid-range IMU devices, which provide the customer with a high thermal stability, extended temperature range, very good performance under vibration. It competes with a lot of the ADI and Murata products. And then we have the compact IMUs, which we have three flavors. We have the 6-axis IMU chip, which is a lower powered, small factor, extended temperature range type of 6-axis IMU. Very good for industrial applications such as automatic lawn mowers, tools, GNSS unit that do not require super high accuracy. And then we have the two families of the 3-axis accelerometers, one designed for vibration measurements and the other one designed for tilt sensing, with a lot of the features of the 6-axis. So there you have it. This is the industrial InventSense TDK product portfolio. We have designed this portfolio thinking about the customer and the conditions of the industrial applications, and I open up for some questions right now. Thank you.